Okay, so I am in my dashboard in my modules. So for example, if you were trying to, so these are next week's lesson plans. So if I was trying to get, let me see, I think the science quiz. Okay, so you can either do it from here. If you click these three dots right here, you can say share to comments, and then this screen will pop up. So what I do is that I just hit only me, and then I just kind of word it Monday science quiz. And then it says click an image. You have to have an image. So it's going to give you like random images that you can put on there, or you can just go to your browser and then click a picture that you might want. So I'm just going to hit this armadillo right there. Put that on there, hit save. So now I have my picture, and I'm just gonna change this to kindergarten, and I'm gonna share it. So now what I wanna do is add to favorites. And then I'm gonna go back to my dashboard, and I'm gonna go into my dashboard and go to modules. And then I can go and share it to any of the modules that I have. So for example, if I wanna put it in these lesson plans from April, I can just hit the three dots and I can go common favorites, and then it should pop up. And there's the armadillo quiz, and it's not going to have a picture of an armadillo. It's just, does that. And then once you have the green check mark, it says items added will be visible to Canvas after you close this tray. So I'm going to close the tray, and if you look up here, it's loading it on there. And then it should be on there. And if it's not on there, all you have to do is hit refresh, and then it'll pop up. So I'm going to go to here's April 15th. That's the module that I added it to, and it should be all the way at the bottom. Yep. And it put it on there 2 times, so I'm just going to erase one. But there is the quiz. And you can even do it, like, for example, if I want to go to your dashboard, Tanya, I can so I go to your dashboard and I can do the same thing. I go to modules, and you might have to say, because I only put only me, so you might have to share it to comments. So I can do the same thing. So here I am in your module, and click the 3 dots, and I can go to share comments, or no, common favorites, and it'll pop up. There it is, and then it will add it to yours, but I'm not going to add it because you'll want to put it wherever you want to put it. But that's kind of how I add quizzes to my module from your stuff. And let me see. So I'll go back to mine and delete that one. But I hope this helps you. And you can do it from any of them. Like if you want to go to Commons and search for a quiz. Let's see. Like this one, we'll do 3D shapes. And then this one pops up, right? Or this one. This is an assignment from Commons. I don't know what it is, but you just click on it. Let's see. And then you just add it to your favorites right here, and it'll pop up in your favorites every single time. And that way you can add it to your stuff. So that's kind of how I do my adding those. All right, hope this helps.